ni kuri kindu twitaga inherited mutations utagicenjia ndungicenjia uria waciarirwo na no waguciarire.
Yes.
Number 2 ni kuri ingi twitaga sporadic mutation nderagwo ni muthuri wetagwo Richard Leakey ateo ni bahati mbaya ugakorwo no turo-ini waku cells ciaku igacenjia ukagia a sporadic mutation itaumite kuri eri. Rimwe ni tugaga mutation iyo no ikirehwo hihi ni maundu ta gukorwo we exposed to radiation ta andu aria mari hindi ya Hiroshima na Nagasaki. Radiation iyo yaumire ni undu wa Chernobyl disaster ikamacenjia mutation yao makagia risk for cancer mataraciaritwo nao. Koguo ni kuri mithembe yo iri genetic waciarirwo nayo.
Yes.
Sporadic utoro-ini waku ni yoka ya kuhea risk for cancer. No ni kuri other risks ciuka na cancer. One is older age. Uria our longevity iraigiha ati tugaga Kenya our average survival ni miaka 42 riu ni kiingihite uria andu marathie magikuraga noho risk yao ya cancer ekate irathie kiingihaga. The longer you live the higher the risk you have utoro-ini waku to develop cancer. Ni kuri other exposures dakiugo radiation hiyo ona ni tugaga guku mithimi ta uria twiraga tumia thie mammogram ungikwo mammogram maita maingi muno no ikuhe cancer. On the other hand, ona andu manathondekwo nyondo ugathondekwo na radiation ni maikarangaga tugakora ni agia thyroid cancer. Koguo the exposure to radiation ya either guthimwo kana guthondekwo no ikuhe cancer onayo. The other thing ireha cancer ni smoking, kunywa thigara. Kunywa thigara is associated with 43 different types of cancer.
Yes.
No koro waciarirwo na risk yo ya kugia cancer. No koro ndwanyuire thigara ndungiagia. No riu tondu no wanyuire gathigara ukagia cancer ya mahuri twita lung cancer, no ugie bladder cancer, ni increase aga risk ya breast cancer and so on and so forth. Ona patients ya kwaria manyua thigara ndimeraga ni twakumenya wina colon cancer mithondekere igukorwo in a good outcome ungitigaga thigara kamunyuaga. So cigarette smoking is a big risk. Ni kuri association ya alcohol andu kunyua njohi na njohi no ukorirwo ukinyua njohi nyingi no ugie liver cancer kana kuongerere risk ya cancer icingi iheanagwo. The other thing ni certain infections ta viruses. Toguo ni twari uhoro wa cancer of the cervix na virus itagwo human papilloma virus. Ni irehaga 90% of cancers of the cervix. Ni kuri infections ingi ta hepatitis B and C no ikuhe liver cancer, ikuhe certain types of lymphoma, irehe gallbladder tumors na cancer zingi cia pancreas na bile ducts ni undu wa hepatitis infection. Ni kuri ingi other types of virus hegi itagwo human mammalian virus, ni kuri ingi cietagwo Helicobacter pylori ingi kurehere cancer ya nda. Ni kuri HIV itself ni irehaga certain cancers ta Kaposi sarcoma ya ngothi. HIV no irehe other types of cancers hihi utaragirageire korwo nduneka atia ndunagia HIV. Ni kuri infection twitaga aflatoxin yukaga mbembe-ini na guku ta ikamba-ini storage of grains.
Yes.
Ikagia aflatoxin. Aflatoxin yo andu maria mbembe o magia infection yo magathuka ini eventually makagia cancer of the liver. Koguo there are certain things andu ni maragio horo wa makajuria ndagitari ingigia nyama ni ingogia cancer na ngamera the only diet that has been proven to increase the risk of cancer is preserved meat. Ici twetaga burgers, ici twetaga hamburger, frankfurters, indo iria preserved uragura ati ciohetwo na kavagiti ni ciikiritwo preservatives, canned meat na mundu ta increases the risk of cancer. Ni kuri uria tucinaga indo ta riu thamaki ici agucinwo kana nyama cia gucinwo increase kindu gitagwo nitrosamines, increase the risk of getting throat cancer. Koguo ni hari itumi ciino tiganu increase the risk of developing cancer. No andu ingi manjuragia atiriri ndatiga kuria nyama ri kana ndatiga kuhuthira plastic ri kana ndatiga iria ri will I reduce my risk of cancer? Gamera aca. Your risk of cancer may not be reduced. You may not prevent your cancer from coming, but the way you can help yourself ni kumenyekana tene.
Daktari, shesheni hakuwe nawe.